Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about how to motivate yourself. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe, share, and most importantly by subscribing. So let's begin. How to motivate yourself. Motivating yourself can be challenging at times. There are several strategies and techniques you can use to boost your motivation and stay on track with your goals. Here are some tips to help you get started. Number one, set clear goals. Define specific, achievable, and measurable goals. Knowing what you want to achieve provides a sense of purpose and direction. Number two, break goals into smaller steps. Divide your larger goals into smaller, manageable tasks. This makes them less overwhelming and more attainable. Number three, create a vision. Visualize your success and the benefits of achieving your goals. This can help you stay focused on your long-term objectives. Number four, find your why. Identify the underlying reasons for pursuing your goals. Understanding why something is important to you can provide motivation during challenging times. Number five, make a plan. Develop a detailed plan that outlines the steps you need to make to reach your goals. A well-structured plan provides clarity and a roadmap for your journey. Number six, prioritize tasks. Determine which tasks are most important and need to be completed first. Prioritization can prevent procrastination and keep you on track. Number seven, create a routine. Establish a daily or weekly routine that includes dedicated time for working on your goals. Consistency can build motivation over time. 8. Set deadlines. Assign deadlines to your tasks and goals. Having a sense of urgency can increase your motivation to complete them. Number 9. Reward yourself. Celebrate your achievements no matter how small. Rewarding yourself for your efforts can reinforce positive behavior. Number 10. Stay organized. Keep your workplace and life organized. A clutter-free environment can help reduce distractions and boost productivity. Number 11. Find inspiration. Seek inspiration from books, podcasts, role models, or success stories related to your goals. Surrounding yourself with motivating influences can be powerful. Number 12. Overcome procrastination. Recognize when you're procrastinating and try to understand the underlying reasons. Break tasks into smaller steps and start with the easiest one to build momentum. Number 13. Stay positive. Cultivate a positive mindset. Replace negative self-talk with affirmations and focus on the progress you made rather than dwelling on setbacks. Number 14. Stay accountable. Share your goals with a friend or family member who can hold you accountable. You can also join support groups or find accountability partner. Number 15. Learn from setbacks. Understand that setbacks are a natural part of the process. Instead of getting discouraged, use them as opportunities to learn and growth. 16. Adapt and adjust. Be willing to adapt your goals and plans as circumstances change. Flexibility can help you stay motivated even when faced with unexpected challenges. 17. Stay healthy. Prioritize physical and mental well-being. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep can improve your overall motivation and energy levels. 18. Track your progress. Keep a journal or use apps to track your progress. Seeing how far you come can be motivating and provide a sense of accomplishment. Remember that motivating can be ebb and flow. It's normal to have moments of low motivation. The key is to develop a toolbox of strategies that work for you and to keep pushing forward even when motivation is lacking. Discipline and commitment are often what sustain you on the path towards your goal. Okay guys, so this is the end of my presentation and report on how to motivate yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.